Okay. 2.5, solving equations using addition or subtraction. Okay, so the other day, on Friday, we asked ourselves what plus 9 would give us 3, right? So we said, how can we get to 3 by doing this? Now we're going to do it by addition or subtraction, so you have to show me work on these, okay? When you have a variable in an equation, here I have an x, here I have a y, you want the variable to be by itself, okay? You want it to say x equals or y equals. To do that, you have to rearrange your equation, okay? So, when I have x plus 9 equals 3, to rearrange this, I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. Okay? What happens when I subtract 9 here?
0.
0. What happens when I do 3 minus 9 here?
-6.
Negative
Oh,
6.
that's fine.
Negative 6. So look, now I have x equals negative 6. I have the x on one side of the equal sign, and I have my answer on the other. So when it says solve, that means x has to be set equal to something. Or y has to be set equal to something, or z, or a, or b, or whatever variable they give you. Okay? So you have to get a solution. Now, we're going to check our answer. Do you know what I mean by check your answer?
I think so.
We're going to take
Yeah. You
We're
plug
going
in
to
the
take this
number.
negative 6 and we're going to plug it back into this equation. So that it would say, so my equation said this, right? And I'm going to take my answer of negative 6, I'm going to say negative 6 plus 9 equals 3. What's negative 6 plus 9?
3.
Does 3 equal 3?
Yes.
Okay. So on your homework, you're going to have to solve and then you're going to have to check.
We have to check.
You have to check for right now. Okay? Till we get the swing of this, we have to check. Because when we get to algebra 2 and algebra 1, you're going to solve with 2 variables. Maybe even later this year. And in algebra 2, you're going to solve with 3 variables.
Is there an algebra 3? No.
No.
Is it just geometry?
Yeah, but there's like pre-calc and calculus and all that stuff. Okay? Now, if this says 23 equals y minus 11, how do you think we go about to get y by itself? What do I need to do? Yes, Sonia.
Add 11 by y 23.
I'm going to add 11 to both sides. I add it there, and I add it here. What happens here? Negative 11 and 11?
0.
0. So I just have y on that side, yes?
Mm-hmm.
What's 23 plus 11?
34.
34. Y equals 34. What am I going to do with that answer now?
Check it.
Plug in the numbers.
I'm going to plug in. I'm going to rewrite, and I'm going to plug it in. So I'm going to show this. Then I'm going to come back down, plug in 34 here. Whoops. What's 34 minus 11?
23.
Did I do it right?
Yes.
Yes. Because here's the deal. Because you're dealing with minus and addition, and that makes negatives and positives, sometimes we might get the wrong answer. So when we check, we might catch ourselves. That's the whole point. Okay? We'll do a couple more in a minute, but we're going to do this word problem, and then I'll do 2 more of those type of problems, okay? But this is what your homework's over tonight, only this stuff. Oh, I know. Guess what? Math is going to be time consuming from here on out, I promise you. Talk to my Algebra 2 kids right now. They're solving with 3 variables, so they have 3 equations, and it takes like a whole piece of paper for one problem.
Was it
I think I know what
seriously?
you're
Yes. So
Bless their
it
hearts.
doesn't get less time consuming, okay? Okay, to weigh a horse, you place it in a trailer and weigh both the trailer and the horse.
Okay.
Okay. The weight of the trailer alone is 2,150 pounds. The combined weight of the horse and the trailer is 3,375 pounds. What's the weight of the horse? I need you to help me set up an equation. An equation. Where you got idea? Okay. 2,150,
Can I try?
not equals. What's 2,150 represent?
Total.
Trailer.
The trailer. And then the trailer plus what?
3,375
Nope. Plus what, Bree?
3,000.
No, you said it right before Sonia messed you up. Plus what? I have the trailer
Weight?
plus what?
Wait, the horse?
The weight of the horse. So we're just gonna give it a variable.
So
Horse.
H. And what does it equal?
3,375.
Good, 3,375. So how do I solve this? Okay, Matthew, yeah?
Do you,
How do I get H by itself? What do I have to do with this?
oh yeah, you put like a negative 2,150 into that. and
Yep, I
zero.
subtract 2,150 from
That,
both sides.
yeah,
When I do that, what happens here?
is 0.
0, so the H comes down. And what happens here? Ooh, let's do this math. What's 5 minus 0?
5,
And 7 minus 5?
2,
And 3 minus 1?
2,
And 3 minus 2?
1,
So how much does the horse weigh?
1,225.
That's just
A lot of
horse.
That's a
Pretty
lot of
heavy.
horse.
That's a
Pretty heavy
That's
horse.
just one horse.
That's just one horse. Yeah, horses weigh a lot.
Really?
Oh yeah, that's not even a Clydesdale. Clydesdales are way big. Do you know what Clydesdale looks like?
A big horse.
It's like the, it's what they used to use like, before like we made tractors and stuff to plow, like farmland and stuff like that. They're big horses.
Some people
Are
refuse.
they chunky?
They had to pull like the thing to plow it.
You what? Rare horse.
Race
That's cool.
Around the country.
Okay, let's
I
try
think that
2 more
horse
of these
doesn't-
problems and then I'll give you homework, okay? Let's do this. Let's do 26 equals P minus 61. And I want you to solve and check. What do I need to do first? Someone that hasn't helped me out today.
I've not helped you out today.
Yes, you have. Hannah, what do I do first?
You add 61 to both of them.
Beautiful. Add 61 to both sides. So here this cancels and brings down my P. What's 26 plus 61?
87.
87. And then I need to make sure that that is correct. So I need to come back and I need to
Plug in the numbers.
plug it in, right? So 26 equals 87 minus 61. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So I am correct. Okay? One more. Okay, what do I need to do there first? Bree, yes.
Minus.
Minus what?
19.
Not 19. Minus 8 from both sides. I want to get rid of what's with the x. So x equals, what's 19 minus 8? It's 9 minus 8.
1.
So x equals 11. Now I'm going to come back and check my answer. 11 plus 8 equals 19. 11 and 8 is 19. So everything is beautiful. So on your homework tonight, you shouldn't have wrong answers because when you check your answer, you're gonna catch any of them that are wrong. Okay?
Yay.